What up though YouTube, this your boy 2Fly Graffiti back today finally with this video 15 days after the shoe is already released, so it really don't mean nothing, but I got it, so I might as well go ahead and do it. The reason why this shoe is so late is because I tried to be slick and order it early from GOAT, and literally took a whole month of not getting it, and then I finally got it. What happened was I ordered it early from GOAT. Seller, I guess, didn't really have the shoe in the first place, so they never shipped the shoe. They just said they did, but they didn't really ship anything. So order got delayed. I just complained. They canceled the order. I did it again just to see, like, okay, like, you know, I found a cheaper pair, and then, you know, I just assumed, like, by now, like, the seller, whoever this is, a different person probably, has the shoe. And yeah, same situation happened. So I complained, and instead of canceling the order this time, GOAT found someone that actually had the shoe and they shipped it, but it took like 2 weeks for it to get here too. So I ended up getting it after release, and then I struck out on sneakers because sneakers doesn't care about how I feel.
It doesn't matter how you feel.
Even if I want the shoe, I'm not gonna get it. It is what it is. Sneakers is trash. GOAT is also trash for how they move. And I'm actually waiting on another pair that was an early pair from GOAT that hasn't came yet, and they just won't cancel. This one they won't even cancel an order. They just keep saying, oh, we found someone else. Like, bro, just cancel the order, dog. If you a seller out there and you don't have a shoe, stop shipping shit that you don't have, or stop selling shit that you don't have, bro. Like, what are y'all doing, man? But finally got this shoe, man, after years of wanting it. I wish hopefully they do the other pair. They're kind of doing it like the DMPs. I hate when I talk all inconspicuous, like I can't read the title.
Obviously.
It's the Raging Bull 5s, clearly. But yeah, hopefully they do the other pair like they did the first pair, or did this pair, and then like they did the DMP 6s, hopefully they do the DMP 11s. But I ain't even gonna talk your head out too much because I'm a little bit annoyed about the whole situation.
We just got the final budget now.
And let's go ahead and talk about the shoe real quick. All right, blam, y'all see it. Air Jordan 5 Retro. I don't know what that says because it's facing y'all, but y'all can read that and let me know. Okay, you see the special box, you know, kind of just like the DMP or countdown package, whatever this was, countdown package, I think. Yeah, it's like the countdown package box that they had, pretty much similar. Let me read this before I just get into it. Air Jordan 5 Retro, varsity red, black, white, varsity rouge, blanc, noir. So,
Really, nigga?
my bad. That was my alarm letting me know it's time for me to get ready to go to LA, because I'm about to go to LA do a photo shoot. But we're gonna do this video first. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoes. Put that joint in y'all face so y'all can see it. Blam! Right there. That red is crazy, man. People been talking about the red. At first, the official photos, of course, the red wasn't looking like, it was looking orange, man. I don't know why Nike's official photos come out and then don't match what the actual product is. Like, fire the photographer. Boy, first of all, this joint shedding like a mug. Hold up, but yeah, fire the photographer, hire me, I'm better. But look at all that red on the tongue. Y'all see that? Like, what is going on there? Like, these joints is shedding like crazy. But here go the shoes in all of their glory. For the on foot, it's just gonna be B-rolled out through the video, just to save time, man, not keep y'all here forever. I know a lot of people ask me what pants and stuff I be wearing, so I'll make sure I link all of that stuff here. Till y'all know, most of my pants are by Minimal, so yeah. Jumpman on the back, of course, no Nike Air because these don't really need Nike Air. 23 on the side, looking glorious, looking beautiful, and all that and all that. I don't have the 2009 pair. I've always wanted to buy them, but they have been 1,700 or something like that ever since I've tried to get them. So if you try to get the pack separate, it's always at least $1,000 for one of the shoes. And if you try to get, you know what I'm saying, the pack separate is always at least 700 for these, and then maybe about 6 for at least, or 700 and 900 for these, and about 6 for the 3M pair. For some reason, people don't like those so much. I think those are better than these. But yeah, the pack normally like $1,300, bro. It's not good. And then a lot of them not in good condition, so yeah. Icy soles on the bottom. I know a lot. You see that comment how I just did, boy? Stop playing with me. But I know a lot of y'all don't like the soles being icy. I personally don't mind it. It is what it is. It works for me. I don't like that whole retro look of super old and used. Actually, this guy, I'm gonna show a picture real quick. This guy actually just did like a retro look on his, and it actually don't look bad. He changed the shape and everything, just not for me. You know, I like my shoes to look new. Now the shape change is cool. It's just the yellowing the soles and tearing up the material so it look old. I'm not gonna go for that. But yeah, these joints is nice, man. I'm gonna sit one down so I can just talk to y'all with one shoe in my hand. Now, a lot of people was talking about the material use. I wish I had the 2009 pair to compare the material, because it do look like it's a better material than what these are. This is like that rugged, rough suede. I guess this is what the alternate grapes was. I'm about to grab my Michigan 5s and see if it's the same thing. Hold on real quick, let me go grab those. So I really just went crazy and grabbed a bunch of different 5s. First of all, damn, these boys is yellow. Metallics, of course, this is my favorite Jordan 5. Starting to yellow on the netting, or the mesh. Never wore it, this is my second pair, because my first pair I wore them joints. But this nubuck, amazing. Now they couldn't do this because this is nubuck. That's not gonna work with these. And then, yeah, is these yellow? No, I guess that's just already dark. Paris 5s, I have not worn these yet. Sole protector on the bottom, I need to go ahead and wear them. These joints, I just randomly got them on sneakers. So sneakers, you know, sometimes show some love, but not most times. Now, this is the shoe I really went upstairs to grab. They could have, I don't know if the 2009 pair, I don't know what material it had, but if they could have used this suede in red on these, boy, that would have been crazy. And these is crazy, man. I've never wore this shoe, but look how yellow, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's from the paint or whatever, but yellow and this orange, and I don't know what that is, but yeah, nah, I need to wear these because, you know, it's Michigan all day, right? Like, look at this. Bro, Nike, quality control, bro. What happened there? I know y'all ain't come to talk about no Michigan 5s. You probably an Ohio State fan, so you ain't hearing it, but what is going on? But if they'd use this material, look at this suede, bro. If they would have used this material on these, I'm sorry, I'll be all over the place. I'm looking at myself on the monitor just to make sure I'm in focus. But if they would have used this material on here, on these, oh my goodness, dog. It would have been way better, because this is just so rough and like just rugged. This is dirty tennis ball. This is brand new tennis ball. You feel me? Boo! I don't know, but yeah. These are fire though, nonetheless. I'm gonna rock them. All red shoes, you know, had that wave where, you know, everything was all red and everybody loved it. I'm gonna just keep the shoe, I guess, so you can see it. But and everybody loved it. It's kind of died off. I had the all red 12s that was like a PE with the white and red until the gym red 12s. Didn't wear them one time, and then I just sold them. I never got those all red 12s that came out because they were like a weird like suede leather combination. I didn't like it. I kind of still want them, and I might go back and get them, we'll see. But and then I never had the infrared 6s, the all red pair, and I'm trying to think the infrared 23. I'm trying to think if I had any other all red. Oh, I have an all red shoe. I have those reverse like 3s, the Chicago 3s, I guess. I do have those. Those is crazy. And I did have the Toro 4s back in the day. Wore those a lot. And then after years, I sold them for a good price. So that shoe held up its value. This joint ain't going for that much. Now it's like $390. But it's holding up its value in the 09 version. That one it's not coming down. But these joints is, you know, fire. You know, with the right fit. I'm not gonna come all right. First, I'm in California, so whoa, no, I'm just kidding.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm not coming all red with these on, but yeah, with the right outfit, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, because y'all know I do these fits. If you don't know, follow me on Instagram at It's2FlyGraffiti. You will see I do these fits. But you know, with the right fit, these will be crazy. You know, you can't come all red because it's just too typical. You know, you gotta find an accent color, you know, wear a little black, maybe even throw a little white on there, you know what I'm saying? Or get the color wheel and see what's the accent of red, or, you know, the complementary color of the red, I mean. Don't come with green though, because you're gonna look like a Christmas tree. You don't want to do that. But yeah, these joints, I'm gonna give y'all some up close on the material so y'all can see what I'm talking about, man. A little rough, but that red look good, and I promise you, I'm not colored. This isn't color graded. There's no LUT on here. This is just what it looks like out of camera. In real life, these joints is red. They nice. Hopefully Nike, Jordan brand, come on, let's do the 3M pair, and so we can complete the set. But these joints is crazy. If you was able to get them from sneakers, JD Sports seems to be giving a lot of people good opportunities, in Dick's Sporting Goods. If you were able to get them, let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at It's Too Fly Graffiti. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Follow the photography page at 1021 Portraits. I done messed up my own Instagram name. Check out the website 1021portraits.com. And I'll see y'all in the next video. We don't know what that's gonna be because sneakers, bro. I don't know. Hopefully it's these Armanier 3s, man. We gonna see, dog. I'm Armanier, whatever you say. I'm trying to get those, you know. So hopefully it's those. We'll see. Or the Travis Scott 6s. That might be what it is. And if I get those Travis Scott 6s, I'm just gonna do a video for both of them because I have the other pair and I just never did a video for them. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.